Hello students, myself Zainab Nanwala and this is the fourth and the last part of lesson number 3 of 9th standard SS. In the last part, we discussed about what were the effects of the World War II and the United Nations. In this part, we will discuss about United Nations functionings and structures. So we discussed that there are 6 structures of United Nations body, and in this International Court of Justice is situated at Hague, Netherlands, and all other councils are situated in New York, America. So the first activity is General Assembly. The highest, the biggest organ. This is a real picture of General Assembly Hall. Okay, so the biggest organ of the UN is the General Assembly. It includes the representatives of the member nations. Every nation can send maximum 5 representatives to this, but during election, only 1 vote of each country is counted. It can discuss, advise, suggest. It accepts the budget presented by the Secretary General every year and allocates the expenses. It attempts to find solutions to the economic problems of the nations, human rights, disarmament, or international matters. Last, decisions are taken by the 2/3 majority in general matters. The next is the Security Council. See, this is the chart of the veto power used till 2006. So, America had 82%, Russia had this many veto powers. Okay. Next, about General Assembly, this is the general detail, how many members, headquarters, where, how many member states. 193 is the present number of member states. The next is Security Council. Here. This is the most important organ of the UN. There are 5 permanent members, that is, you can see America, Russia, Britain, France and China. Here, other 10 countries are not permanent members. They are elected for a term of 2 years. This council enjoys tremendous powers in order to maintain international peace and security. So, what is the function of it? That it solves the problems, the disputes between some nations through negotiations and mediations. When any one permanent member does not vote in support of some important international matter, it cannot take a decision on that. All of them are important, the 5 permanent members. This power of the 5 permanent members is called the veto power or right to deny. Russia had used this veto power maximum number of times. Okay. As we can see, Russia has used it 122 times its veto power. The next is, this is a picture from your textbook only. Economic and Social Council. This council is called ECOSOC. The General Assembly appoints 2/3 of its returning members for 3 years. This council tries to raise the standard of living of the nation of the world and without any bias of religion, caste and region, anything. And it works in several sub-councils, that is WHO, then IMF, International Monetary Fund. It works to establish financial stability. These are the logos, their symbols. Then FAO, Food and Agriculture Organizations, they help to improve the agriculture production, forestry, fisheries, raise the nutrition level. ILO, International Labour Organization, which works for the justice of laborers. UNICEF, United Nations International Children Emergency Fund. Okay, I will force you, or I'll tell you that it's important to learn all the abbreviations and its full names. Okay. So UNICEF take care about the children welfare. The next is UNESCO. It's about education, science and culture organization, which works to improve the cooperation between nations by removing illiteracy, raising the standard of living of people, education, justice, science, cultural resources, etc. The next one is Trusteeship Council. Okay, what are the functions and powers of Trusteeship Council? There are 5 permanent members again in this council. Okay, just like Secretary Council. So here this representatives selected by the General Assembly are included here. It oversees matters pertaining to nations that have not acquired independence and are under some previous mandate. Also nations defeated in the Second World War, as well as social, economic, political development. I think this is clear. Okay. The next point. See, this is a picture of Trusteeship Council. Okay. Moving on, International Court of Justice. So its headquarters is at Hague. We already did that, Netherlands. There are 15 judges in it. Those are appointed for 9 years. It solves the disputes between nations, gives verdicts on international dispute presented before them. See, this is the International Court of Justice in Netherlands, okay, of UN. The last part is Secretariat. The office of the Secretary General of the UN is called the Secretariat. The General Assembly appoints the Secretary General for 5 years. Secretaries, administrators, assistants, translators, experts are also appointed to help the Secretary General. The Secretariat is situated in New York. The UN has constantly been making efforts to establish world peace, world unity, and to achieve the dream of universal brotherhood. See, this is a picture of Secretariat, the office of UN, and that's it. Thank you.